arranging miracle. And this one, whose eye is like 4:30, is the person that organizes and employs all these people. While this one keeps record of everybody that is brought there and how much they are paid. Where is that their book?
It's here.
So you people help to deceive people, and the people will be going to the church, believing that the people are doing miracle, and then at the end of the day, they end up deceiving them. They will pay tithes, and the pastor will be making so much money. Hey, oh my God! Look at their, and how much they are paid. This one they pay more. Oh my God!
Yesterday, Tuesday, Tata Kawaja.
Christmas. This is how you see all this miracle in churches. Miracle.
Okay.
Miracles. These are the people that help to deceive people that their prayers have been answered. And people will be rushing to the church. You, secretary, is this your book? Is this your book? This is your writing. You are the one that records all these people names. It's your job to pay them when they have gone to deceive people. Eh? Okay, but you are the one that records the.
Yeah, that is the person. He's like
Yeah, what is your own work? Yeah.
My name is Promise.
Eh?
My name is Promise.
Promise what?
Promise Nana.
Eh? From where?
For Imo State.
Eh?
Imo State.
Where in Imo? I want to know the name of your town. Your people will see you.
Okay.
So that they know what you do. When you tell them you are going for Oluoyibo, you end up in Umpo. And then you'll be going from church to church, deceiving people, doing a false miracle. Then the church will be growing. People will be paying money to pastor. Which one did you do?
The same work where they work.
The same work. Which one did you do? You did not tell me the
Manifest.
name. What is the name of your town?
Mbise.
Where in Imo?
Mbise.
Mbise. Where in Mbise? Mbise has many places. Where in Mbise?
Lodge.
Eh?
Lodge, Obala.
Obuala. Obuala.
Yes, sir.
Where in Obuala? Obuala is a big town.
Obala Junction, Mbise.
Mbise people see your picking though. Now, boy, they go do miracle.
My name is Angel Livanusa from Cross River State.
Yes. Where in Cross River?
Okoja, Africa 1.
Eke 1.
Africa 1.
Africa 1.
Yes. I just came back today. I'm living in Agbo. I came back today. After I came back, so I was friending one boy in that place at Ogina side. So I went to collect my batteries. Then teach me.
Are you not part of these people?
I'm coming.
Don't tell me too many stories. I don't want too many stories.
So they now tell me that there is work. I should come and join them. So yeah. I went to One Touch. I don't know the name of the pastor, but they used to call him One Touch. So when I went there, the man did not tell me that I am married 3 men at once. I say yes, that is the only work that I do.
And they paid you money?
It's only 3,000, sir.
You too, uncle?
My name is David Alex.
What did you do? David from where?
I'm from Cross River State.
Where in Cross River?
Atabon in Koja.
Yes.
So I doing the same work based on I know what to do.
Yeah.
So they went there. If they give prophecy, I claim it. So later we go back.
You go back and you give testimony.
So
that the testimony has worked.
Yeah. So they give me they pay me 3,000 naira.
Oh, sorry for all of you. Sorry.
Did you buy? Ọba tó gba Daniel nínú kìnìún gbàmí lọ́wọ́ kìnìún ayé ó fẹ́ pèpè ìwọ jẹ́ Daniel ìwọ àti Daniel family are you Daniel face your life lọ sínú kìnìún wàá mọ̀ wípé Ọlọ́run ò ráyè sẹ̀pẹ̀tẹ́bù Ọlọ́run ò ráyè rádaràda tó bá lọ sínú kìnìún tó bá lọ sẹ̀ tó bá gbé sínú kìnìún á jẹ pọ́nsánpọ́nsán sí ẹ lára. Nígbà tẹ́lẹ̀ mi bá fẹ́ gbàdúrà máa wò dídí báyìí. Ọba tó gba Daniel nínú kìnìún gbàmí lọ́wọ́ kìnìún ayé O fẹ́ gbèpè ìwọ jẹ́ Daniel. Ìwọ àti Daniel family. Are you Daniel? Face your life. Lọ sínú òkè ni wàá mọ̀ wípé Ọlọ́run ò ráyè sẹ̀pẹ̀tẹ́bù. Ọlọ́run ò ráyè rádaràda. Tó bá lọ sínú òkè ni, tó bá lọ sẹ̀, tó bá gbé sínú òkè ni. Kìnìún á jẹ pọ́nsánpọ́nsán sí ẹ lára.